People don't want to give away their secrets from doing something for 20 plus years, but I don't really have a problem with doing that if it helps somebody else out. I work for my family's hardscaping company. I'm Tom Gardocki, and I'm an earth mover. I got started on social media as a dirt ninja in 2010. Started off with my YouTube channel and progressed into a Facebook channel, and then more recently I started an Instagram. A big part of my YouTube channel is the equipment tricks that I do. It's something that I have a ton of fun with. To be totally honest with you, I do it to show what the equipment can do in a non-conventional setting. So you see these big heavy pieces of equipment on the side of the highway as you're going to work every day, but you don't realize that they can do delicate tasks as well. It's almost to the point now where the equipment is kind of extension of my hands, so it's really nice to kind of be able to do pretty much anything with the heavy equipment. I started out just with a digital camera and I was like, I think I can make a video. So I've come a long way, I think, and I really enjoy doing it. It's kind of one of those things, once you start doing it, people just want to keep seeing it, so you kind of feed the beast and you have to keep going. I've been interested in it pretty much forever. I remember being like 4 years old, and the guys would come home after a day of work, and I'd come out of the house and want to help them unload the trucks, and that's actually when I first started running heavy equipment. Is I'd get in my dad's lap of the machine and unload the trucks at the end of the day. I'm a person who could never be stuck in a cubicle all day. It would drive me absolutely nuts. You're creating beautiful outside landscapes, something that a customer is going to enjoy for the rest of their life. So it's really neat to take what could be a really not great looking front yard and transforming it into something that the customer's gonna enjoy forever. So it's just it gives you a sense of like fulfillment and that you did something. So I really enjoy being outside. I also like doing it because you can be really creative. The biggest challenges with doing the work is just figuring out how to get it done. We've done some pretty challenging projects, and no project is the same. Having the right boots, being comfortable on your feet. If your feet aren't comfortable, I guarantee you're not going to be comfortable for the day. Even when I'm old, I can still sit in the seat, and I don't know, maybe by then I'll be on my couch and operated by a drone or something.